Life cycle of rice. Table of content. Introduction, rice production process, life cycle of rice, impacts of rice production, mitigation strategies, conclusion and references. Introduction. Rice is a staple food for more than 50% of the world's population, including regions of high population density. Rice is an edible starchy cereal grain that is produced by the grass plant family, Poaceae or Rhiza sativa. The majority of the world's population, including almost all of East and Southeast Asia, depends entirely on rice as a staple food, with humans consuming 95% of the world's rice production. Rice can be cooked by boiling it or by grinding it into flour. In Asian, Middle Eastern, and many other cuisines, it is consumed alone as well as in a wide range of soups, side dishes, and main courses. Rice is also a component of morning cereals, noodles, and alcoholic drinks like sake from Japan. Rice production process. Life cycle of rice can be divided into 3 phases. Vegetative, reproductive, and ripening. It refers to the time between germination and the initiation of panicle primordia. It is distinguished by active tillering, a gradual increase in plant height, and regular leaf emergence. Tillering can begin when the main culm has its 5th or 6th leaf. Active tillering is a stage in which the tillering rate, the number of tillers added per unit of time, is high. The maximum tillering stage occurs when the number of tillers per plant or unit area is at its maximum, either before or after the initiation of panicle primordia, depending on the variety's growth duration. After this stage, tillers may or may not produce panicles. It is distinguished by culm elongation, a decrease in tiller number, the appearance of a flag leaf, fruiting, heading, and flowering. The onset of panicle primordia is usually around 30 days before heading. Heading referred to panicle assertion. Due to variations in panicle exertion within tillers of the same plant and between plants in the same field, it takes 10-14 days for a crop to complete heading. Agronomically, heading refers to 50% of the panicle exertion. Ripening. Ripening occurs after fertilization and is divided into milky dough, yellow ripe, and maturity stages. It is sequenced by lyrisenescence and grain grown. Winning includes an increase in grain size and weight as well as changes in grain color. Late Maturina varieties have long vegetative stages and may reach maximum tillering stage before panicle primordia initiation. The period between the maximum tillering stage and the initiation of panicle primordia is also known as Tini vegetative lag praise. Life cycle of rice. Raw material extraction. Seedlings is the only raw material needed for the rice production. The usage of pesticides, fertilizers, and herbicides can help to increase livelihood on larger field. Manufacturing process. Planting, transplanting, drying, harvesting, milling, distribution and transportation, farmer, collectors, millers, wholesalers, supermarkets, consumers. Uses of rice. Foods such as fried rice, sushi, rice cracker, and etc. Rice also can be used as a cleanser. End of life. Waste such as food and solid waste. Impacts of rice production. Rice production can contribute to greenhouse gases emissions via a variety of activities. It also requires a large amount of water, which can put a strain of water resources and waste generation. Mitigation strategies. Implementing sustainable land management can reduce the rice production impact. Water-saving irrigation can help to achieve efficient water use. Lastly, renewable energy use can help to reduce the gas emission of rice production. Conclusion. Life cycle is a useful tool for assessing the rice production impact. Life cycle can identify the various stages of rice production. By identifying the impacts, the mitigation strategies can be implemented to reduce the environmental impact. References.